Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying capability and basic settings so nothing blocks live wallpaper. First, confirm your iPhone model supports live photos. Live wallpaper requires live photo input and either 3D touch or haptic touch on lock screen interaction. Next, open camera and enable live photos, then verify the chosen photo is saved as live in photos. Once done, go to Settings Accessibility Motion and make sure Reduce Motion is off, because that disables the parallax and live effect. Now convert or pick the exact live photo and apply it correctly so the animation works. If you have a short video, convert it to a live photo using the Photos app shortcut or reputable converter. Live format stores motion and a key photo. Then open Settings Wallpaper, add new wallpaper, choose Live Photos, pick the file, position and scale it, and select Set for lock screen. Finally, press and hold the lock screen preview to confirm the motion plays. This proves it's configured properly. Finish by clearing transient glitches and applying updates so live wallpaper stays active. Restart your iPhone to refresh system services. This often restores the live press-to-play behavior. If restarting doesn't help, install the latest iOS update because system fixes frequently address animation bugs. Make sure Reduce Motion remains off after updates. If it still stays static, reset all settings as a last resort step, since it preserves your data but clears conflicting preferences. Then reapply the live photo and test it again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.